Banangich Rach Kakwijicheng. Murairan Kakwijicheng came shall talking about family. Right Kakwiji Duar. Jendan Banangich and Walla. Kan kono nyam gwat me jiram jidit. Gorono jin bi channel bi support. Bi subscribe ko binginyi titi bi kan chamala shupke je gwada dana pai kala rich. Ban je chutok tok English kana tok Nuer ke Thok Nath. Micha yi jugno nena. How many are you? How many are you? Kayende. How many are you? Kayende. We are 5. We are 5. Kakon DH. Kakon DH. We are 5. Kakon DH. What is your father's name? What is your father's name? Shalguridi. Shalguridi. My father name is Mr. Peter. My father name is Mr. Peter. Gwar shall shude Peter. Gwar shall shude Peter. What is your father's job? What is your father's job? Angulalat guro. Angulalat guro. My father is a farmer. My father is a farmer. Gwar a poor kane. Gwar a poor kagne. My father is a farmer. Gwar a poor kagne. Do you have brothers and sisters? Do you have brothers and sisters? Jin take a god more, can a near more. Take a god more, can a near more. Do you have brothers and sisters? Take a god more, can a near more. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. And take. And take. How many brothers do you have? How many brothers do you have? Jinti kadam mori dangdi. Jinti kadam mori dangdi. How many brothers do you have? Jinti kadam mori dangdi. Ki kadam mori dangdi. I have 4 brothers. I have 4 brothers. Ta kadamari dangwan. Ta kadamari dangwan. I have 4 brothers. Ta damari dangwan. Ta damari dangwan. Are they elder to you or younger to you? Are they elder to you or younger to you? Dinikan kaji ke kwinikan kaji. Dinikan kaji ke kwinikan kaji. Are they elder to you or younger to you? Dinikan kaji ke kwinikan kaji. They are younger to me. They are younger to me. Kwinikan kaha. Kwinikan kaha. They are younger to me. Kwinikan kaha. How old is your brother? How old is your brother? Tidamur Karundi. Tidamur Karundi. How old is your brother? Tidamur Karundi. He is 30 years old. He is 30 years old. Te Karunti Jandang Diok Dapkade. Te Karundi Jandiok Dapade. Te Karundi Jandiok Dapade. He is 30 years old. Te Karundi Jandiok Dapade. Is he married? Is he married? Jen Shakwen. Jen Shakwen. Yes, he is married. Yes, he is married. Jen Shakwen. Jen Shakwen. Does he have children? Does he have children? Jen take a god. Jen take a god. Yes, he has children. Yes, he has children. Gente God. Gente God. How many children does he have? How many children does he have? Gente ka God dangdi. jen take a ga dang di. He has 3 children. He has 3 children. Take a gat dang diok. Take a ga dang diok. He has 3 children. Take a ga dang diok. What is your nephew name? What is your nephew name? Gadamor ke nyemor shall shude di. What is your nephew names? Misha wo nephew lurane gadamor ke ganyemor. Gadamor ke ganyemor shall shude di. My nephew's name is Abebe. Gadamar shall shude Abebe. Does he go to school? Does he go to school? Jen Chodul Gora. Jen Chodul Gora. Yes, he goes to school. Yes, he goes to school. Jen Chodul Gora. Jen Chodul Gora. Guadame de con larno Jen Laudul Gora. Yes, he goes to school. Michao, does he go to school? Jen Lawe Dul Gora. De call yes, he goes to school. Jen Laudul Gora kat namade la de con gorno no. Jen la con mechut la we dwell gora enono. Does he goes to school? Jen la we dwell gora. Yes, he goes to school. Yes, he goes to school. Jen la we dwell gora. Which grade is he studying? Which grade is he studying? Jen gora ka class D. Jen gora ka class D. He is studying 4th grade. He is studying 4th grade. Jen gora ka class 1. Jen gora ka class 1. Mijiram jidit gwasama ka Nuer Language School gore no jen bi channel bi support bi subscribe ko mute ngi mi ci bel bi chamala ci be ki jiban ñoo je ka ngi da den.